Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Newport, TN. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Newport, Tennessee, this motel features a hot tub. A cable TV comes standard in each room at Motel 6-Newport. A telephone and an alarm clock radio are also included. Laundry facilities are on site at Newport's Motel 6. Guests can also enjoy fax and photocopying facilities. Non-smoking and pet-friendly rooms are available. The Forbidden Caverns are 13.3 miles from this motel. Guests will be 15.7 miles from the Great Smoky Mountains Expo Center. Gatlinburg City Center is 31 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.